guys. We're cruising Beau Jacques up to Miramar Station. We're almost there. Car's cruising along really nicely right now. You can see right up through that Saratoga glass top that I was talking about. But gauges are nominal. I got a little bit too much rear hatch rattle than I'd like, but fuel's good. I got the great coolant temperature. Oil pressure's fantastic at 4.5, about bar 2400 RPM. Voltage is up like over 13, so real happy. Car's singing along nicely. We're gonna get that steam cleaning done, and let's just see how she does after this, man. It'll look really nice. We're gonna add that suspension on, like I said, the new shocks in the rear and the bigger sway bars. And yeah, it's gonna be really gonna wake this car up. I might even go splurge and put an LSD in it for getting sideways on the racetracks if I go out and do a track day with this car and really maximize the fun factor. The one gauge I don't pay attention to in the late model pod right here, the date gauge pod, is the miles per gallon, because I just don't give a crap about miles per gallon. I'm a lot more interested in miles per mile, so I think I might just supplant that, or just put a new decal with a smiley face right over the top. Just put it right over the top of that miles per gallon gauge. All right, I got to get out the phone because I got to show my military ID card up here at the gate. So let's see how the steam cleaning goes. All right, gents. See ya.